We're dreaming. Are we dreaming? 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 Are we dreaming?
Hi guys, today we will go a little creative and we will prepare this pointed sleeve jacket that is inspired by jackrt. So yeah, let's quickly dive into the video to see how we can DIY our very own Kylie Jenner style pointed shoulder jacket. The original jacket is made up of textured brown leather, but I was unable to find the same pattern, so I ended up with this. And if you are able to find something similar or close to that pattern, that would be great. Mark the length of our crop jacket and then we will cut accordingly. That wrap it around your shoulder area like so to determine the length of the leather that is required to create the jacket. Now we need to add velcro on top area of our jacket, and this will help us to close the jacket and keep it in place. Here I'm using needle and thread to secure the velcro in place. If you are smart enough, you can also use glue, fabric glue or E6000 glue to do the job. Guys, what struck my mind when I saw this pose? I was so deeply amazed by the styling. Oh my god. How that glittery dress is going very well with a pointed sleeve jacket. Guys, that was such a creative. Okay, you need to leave some space over here to create the neckline and sew this part over here for the pointed shoulder. Once done, turn it to the right side and here we are, ending up with a pointed shouldered crop jacket. Guys, hit that like button as it helps us to reach more people, and subscribe if you are new here.